Hi everyone, this is Raj Kumar. In this video, we'll see how we can create the partition. If you want to create C, D, and EF drive for your newly installed window, so how you can create. So if you open your this PC segment, then you will see here your whole hard drive is in C drive. So if you want to store some important data apart from this official window keys and other stuffs, so you need to create C, D, and E other drives. So how you can create these partitions, and also if you want to create multi-boot system for your operating system, you need also to create some different hard drive apart from this window. So how you can create this one? So for that one, you just go to partition. So select this create and hard in just go to disk management. Here you can see your drive. So just select the option shrink volume. Here it will ask how much amount you want to shrink it. So it's better to open a calculator, so you can convert is this one in. So let's say you want to this is the total size available in MB it is showing, and size of available. So I am going to shrink these volumes in 100 and 100 GB for D and let's say C, D and E, and this C, D and E is going to be used for this partition like for window, and I am going to make this multi-boot system also parallelly with Windows 10. I want to install Parrot and Kali Linux also. So I want to make two unallocated segments for them. So how we can do? So let's say you want to shrink this much of amount. So let's say 1 GB, 1 GB. Let's say 100 GB we want. So 100 into 1024 MB. So this much of amount we want to shrink. Let's say how much here we can enter this. Let's say 102400, 102400, this much of amount we want. 102400, this much of amount we want. So it will shrink this much of amount. So this is going to be 100 GB unallocated. So again I want to unallocate 100 GB more. So same thing you have to perform. So again just give 102400, this much of MB you are going to shrinking from this C drive. So 200 GB is unallocated, so we are going to make a simple new volume. So let's say this is going to be new volume. Size of the volume is going to be, let's say 102400 is going to be the new, and it is going to be assigned, and it is going to be just means we have successfully created a new volume D with 100 GB. Now again we want to create this one as a new volume. Let's say 100 GB again, then just select, and it will create a new volume with 100 GB again. So this is how we have successfully created drive D and E. So if we open this PC, it will show here that we have three segments: C drive, D drive and E drive. D and E drive both are of 100 GB and 100 GB each. So we want to install let's say we want to install a operating system with some new with operating system with this laptop. So we can do this by just allocating 100 GB. Let's say for 100 GB we need to enter 102400, and this is how we can create unallocated size. So this 100 GB I am going to use for another operating system. Let's say with this Windows 10 I am going to install any new operating system. It may be Kali Linux, Parrot, or Ubuntu, or any other thing. So I'm going to install 100 GB with this for new operating system. So if you see this PC, it will reduce the size. Let's say here 100 GB is reduced from this C drive. So this is how you can create partition for creating new drive, and you can also allocate the size for that one. So in this video you have seen how you can create different partitions by using disk management, and you can allocate size for installing different operating system in your laptop. So that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.